I'm back with another Jessica is Obsessed with Digital Planning video. So you're welcome. And today I want to chat about how to use inserts to make a planner custom to you. Like you can literally insert anything you want to into these planners. You can purchase inserts from people who sell them. I sell a couple now with my digital planning suite. You can purchase them from other people. You can put in your own things. Like if you purchase a fitness tracker or you found something on someone's website that you downloaded for free, you can put it in the iPad and make the digital planner totally custom to you. And I kind of want to show you how to use inserts inside of your planner so that it doesn't feel hard or scary or whatever. And today I want to show you how to place those inserts in your planner, how to use them, and how to make your digital planner even more awesome. What up, what up, what up? I'm so glad that you are here on my channel. I am Jessica Stansberry and I teach entrepreneurs how to create content that converts to sales so that they can grow their business. And if that sounds like something you want to know more about, there's a red subscribe button floating around here somewhere. You need to click it. Just saying. Now, I promise that this is not going to turn into a digital planning channel. I mean, I think I promised that. Maybe not, whatever. I don't think it will, but I am so pumped about this and the possibilities for us as entrepreneurs to plan out our business, to use it like paper so we get that feeling of writing things down, but also it's all trapped inside of this little puppy so we're not losing it. I mean, if you could see my desk right now, one, you would think I'm a horrible human and I'm disgusting, but two, you would be like, how the hell do you find anything, Jessica? And I would be like, I don't. So that's why I like the planner on the iPad. Anywho, I'm selling some digital planning inserts or worksheets in my planning shop now that I have started that for you guys. I mean, this is all for you. These are things that I wanted, and then I'm like, oh my gosh, why am I not sharing this with the people who do the things and create content like I do, and they need the worksheets and all the things. So anywho, it's all for you, and it's linked below, by the way, if you want to go visit that. However, I'm selling inserts and I'm having a lot of questions from people who are like, I don't know how to use this insert, or where do I put it, or how do I use it, or how do I insert it, or whatever. So I just want to show you how to use inserts in your planner in a very basic way. Also, I want to tell you that you don't have to, like, my inserts for the digital planner are PDFs that are 8.5 by 11 size. Like, they weren't created specifically for this. I mean, they were because I did it that way, but they didn't have to be. They can be printed and used that way. They can be used on your computer, whatever. So my point here is that you don't have to just purchase GoodNotes inserts or digital planning inserts to be able to insert something in your planner and use it. You can use a worksheet that you got from an online course. You can use a PDF download that you either purchased somewhere or got for free. You can use whatever. So if you have like a system that you use a lot or a worksheet that you personally use a lot anyway, you can totally turn that into a digital planning insert for your digital planner. It doesn't have to be a digital planning insert. Like, it literally can be any PDF you can put in here or image. So in the words of Katie on Mean Girls, the limit does not exist. Okay. Let's hop in. I'm going to show you how to use these inserts. I'm going to show you how to make your life better because it's a thing. And yeah. Okay, so first and foremost, go ahead and open GoodNotes on your iPad and open the planner that you want to be using. Again, this is my planner and it is linked below, but there are blank tabs up here inside of my planner that take you to different sections of blank tabs in your planner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to the first section, which is in the beginning of the planner, and I'm going to insert something right here. So this works with any kind of insert you want to put in. It does not have to be anything specific, like I said, but any kind of insert. So first and foremost, you want to actually find the insert and have the insert where you can get to it. So for me, I actually keep all of my stuff in Dropbox, and then I have Dropbox linked up and synced up on this iPad. So anything that I need is in Dropbox on my computer, and then I have it all synced up on the iPad as well. So here I want to just insert an image, and I want to go to Dropbox, and I'm actually going to go grab a sales funnel map that I give away inside of some of my content, and I'm going to put it here. And so then you can just resize it and put it wherever you want to. Now, if someone gave you a PDF, then all you have to do is change it to a JPEG on your computer or wherever you can do that, and then you can insert the JPEG there. But that is literally all you have to do. And now this worksheet is here inside of this blank section on my planner. So if I want to then plan out a sales funnel, it's here, it's ready for me. I can just go grab the pen, I can zoom in, and this says like the opt-in or the way into the funnel, and I can say, okay, that's gonna be a Trello board. And then the nurture email sequence, I'm going to do 3 emails, and I'm going to list those out there. The pitch, I'm going to pitch them marketing with Trello, which is one of my courses. And then I can go through the process of exactly using this thing, but now it's in my digital planner. So I don't have to do it anywhere else. Now you can insert like a fitness tracker here, or a water tracker, or a weight loss tracker, or I don't know, a sleep tracker for your baby, or really anything that you can get as a JPEG or a PDF, you can insert into these pages. Also, super simple to delete them. All you have to do is grab this little tool up here, highlight over it, and then just hit delete, and it's going to delete that whole image off of there. But my writing is still there because that wasn't part of the image, so then I can just erase. Or I could have lasso tooled it if there was a lot of it and deleted it in that way. So inserts are one of the really fun things that you can do with a digital planner. So I hope that helps you figure all of that mess out. All right. I mean, that was easy, right? Like, it's not hard. It's just a matter of figuring out and wrapping your brain around how to use this planner in the best way possible. And hopefully that helped a little bit. Now, again, if you want to check out my inserts or my digital planner suites or whatever, the link is below to where you can find all of that. And until next time, make sure you hit subscribe, because I'm bringing you things that will help you create better content that actually makes you money. So whether you're a blogger or a business owner, or you're just getting started, I'm here to help. And obviously to nerd out about digital planners. So until next time, hit subscribe. Bye, y'all.